Hey guys, we got the drywall dropped off this morning up in Bloomington, Minnesota. And now we are at ABC in Waterloo, Iowa. We picked up a load of shingles up in Minneapolis at Owens Corning. So now we're just trying to figure out where we go in. I'm assuming we go in over here. Donna's running in to see. Could show you the truck real quick, I guess, inside while we're sitting here. All the normal gauges, our depth, oil pressure, oil temperature, water temperature, volts, primary air, secondary air, fuel gauge, and then the obvious RPM and tach. We told them we wanted this load scale put in here so we know what our drive pressure or our drive weights are. And then we started flipping through. Let's see if I can get on that. We started flipping through here, and lo and behold, they already had one in here. So now we got that one, and we got that one. So we didn't know that. The shop didn't know that either. Somebody had told them, I guess. So then we got our mirror heat, sleeper temp, or the cab temperature, sleeper and fan, engine brake. This is mud and snow. So I'm assuming this one here is traction control, and this one's our differential lock. Because I've tried that one when we've been stuck before, and it did not kick in the differential, so that one's the differential lock. Then we got our suspension dump, our fifth wheel slide, and our regen. This one's got a little nicer radio in it. It's also got built-in XM. So we had a portable XM player, so I just disconnected it and had it connected to the truck here. And that way we don't have to have all that extra cables and stuff. So that worked out good. And then we got our people net. Then the rest of the truck. It's a little bit smaller. I'm gonna switch my duty status here while I'm talking, but it's a little bit smaller than the other one just because it doesn't have the dual bunks. But as you can see, there's lots and lots of cabinets up there. So, and this one's got windows on the side, which I like a lot more. Donna just got up, so don't mind the bed. It's kind of a mess. This one's also got a built-in refrigerator, so we didn't have to bring our Coleman refrigerator, so that makes it nice. So that's two things we was able to do away with. Got a place up there for our microwave, and then of course I'm trying to do this from the front. We got a TV over there, just a small one. Then we got storage all the way around the top here, which makes it kind of nice. Got all kinds of stuff up there. Built-in paper towel holder. Never figured that one out, but you know, it works. CB just straps in right here, which makes it kind of nice. No drilling holes and all that stuff. And then we got the speaker for the CB right here, so that makes it kind of nice too. Alright, Donna's coming, so I'll get back to you here in a minute. Okay, here we go, back down to Vicksburg, Mississippi. Another load of lumber. We're just at a scale now, scaling it, make sure we're not overweight because of this truck being so fat. Got a little hangover. We got a 45-foot trailer, which I'm not a big fan of, but it kicks our weight down about 800 pounds from a 45-foot trailer. So it gives us a little more. We can carry a little more this way. Problem is it's so short. Finding a load is sometimes a pain in the butt. But anyway, that's what we got. Just another load of lumber heading to Vicksburg. We're gonna get Donna's in getting the scale ticket now. When she gets back, we will be heading out. Yeah.
I could drive 70 miles an hour down the interstate. It wasn't happening. I was doing like 30, between 35 and 50. Like, hour and a